So I have 2 clean microscope slides here on my little towel, but I'm going to clean them with alcohol prep pads. I'll show you the other one, but it is 70% alcohol. Now we're going to wipe them off with a lens cleaning wipe. Then I'm going to invert my sample 10 times. And then I'm going to take this transfer pipette and put approximately 2 millimeter sized drop of blood next to the frosted side of the slide. Then I'm going to take my pusher slide at a 30-degree angle in the middle of the microscope slide, making contact with the first microscope slide and pushing or pulling the push slide into the drop of blood and then pulling it forward. So in the middle. Top fill. Then we're going to, we have a dryer, so I'm letting it dry on a slide dryer, and then I'm going to stain it in each of these for 30 seconds, well, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and then I'll be back. Okay, now that our slide is stained and dry, and then we're looking at it on the 100X, we're going to do our differential white blood cell test. So I have my white blood cell counter over here. I'm going to count to 100 of the different white blood cells, and then we're going to do the absolute white blood cell count, where we take the total count times 10,000. So if I get, well, we're going to convert it to a decimal and then multiply it. So if I get 75 neutrophils, you do 0.75 times 10,000, and it would be 7,500 neutrophils. Otherwise, I'll take a picture of the automated analyzer here in a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and start counting. Goodness. Okay, I hit 100, so I'm gonna go get our laboratory observation sheet so I can get everything written down there, and then we'll resume to do the absolutes and get everything written down. Okay, now I have everything written down on our laboratory observation sheet. So we got, there we go, we got 45 for the neutrophils, so we're gonna do 0.45 times 10,000, which is 4,500. 0.36 times 10,000, 3,600. 0.12 times 10,000 is 1,200, and then 7. 700. 0, 0, 0. So this is our form. These over here are actually considered percents. So when we record them, they're going to be with percentage signs. Like this in the relative area.